welcome back to ClearSpot, a 40 site scheduled maintenance for low production hours based on historical averages. Contractor chose early morning from 6 to 9 a.m. because historically that was the lowest output. What they missed was a high pressure system forecast for that week with clear morning skies and strong irradiance. The low production window turned into peak morning production. 3 hours down during 900 watts per square meter irradiance cost $95,000 in one maintenance event. Lesson learned: scheduling maintenance by historical averages instead of forward-looking forecasts costs real money. Today, I'm showing how forecast optimized maintenance windows save six figures annually. Most maintenance is scheduled using historical production patterns or shoulder hours that look safe on average. But weather is dynamic. A historically weak production window can become a high-value window if conditions change. Early morning might average 15% of daily production. But during clear winter mornings with high grid demand, early morning can be 30% of daily revenue. Maintenance windows scheduled 6 weeks out without checking updated forecasts are gambling. If you guess wrong and schedule downtime during an unexpected clear window, you lose. 95,000 euros for 3 hours is extreme but real. More commonly, sites lose $5,000 to $15,000 per maintenance event by not optimizing timing. 10 maintenance events per year equal $50,000 to $150,000 in unnecessary losses. You might be thinking contractors need lead time, so we cannot reschedule every time weather changes. Fair, but there is a middle ground. Contingency windows: schedule maintenance with a primary window and a backup window. 1 week before, check the updated forecast and shift to the backup if the primary shows clear skies and high radiance. The contractor already blocked the day, so you are just optimizing the 3-hour slice. Most contractors accept this if you communicate it as maximizing production during our downtime. Here's how to optimize maintenance timing. Step 1, identify planned maintenance windows 4 to 6 weeks out. Step 2, pull historical average production for candidate time windows and rank by lowest expected loss. Step 3, 2 weeks before maintenance check, long-range forecast and adjust if it predicts unexpectedly high irradiance in your planned slot. Step 4, 1 week before lock in the final window with the contractor and share forecast data to justify changes. Step 5, day before final confirmation, and consider postponing if the forecast shifts dramatically and it is safe to do so. Step 6, post connected maintenance, calculate actual lost production versus alternative windows and track optimization accuracy over time. We covered how historical average scheduling misses forward-looking opportunities and how forecast optimized windows reduce maintenance losses by 40 to 60%. Forecast optimized scheduling can recover $50,000 to $200,000 per year on 50 to 100 megawatt portfolios. Your maintenance schedule is costing you $50,000 to $150,000 per year by ignoring forecasts and relying on historical averages. One bad window can equal $95,000 lost in 3 hours, but forecast optimized scheduling prevents this. Schedule a free maintenance optimization review, and we will analyze your last 12 months of events to show what you lost and what you could have saved. Most sites discover 30 to 50% of maintenance losses were avoidable with better timing. Book your review. The first 10 operators get a maintenance optimization playbook. A 40 million site lost $95,000 in one 3-hour maintenance window because they scheduled by historical averages instead of checking the forecast. Here's how forecast optimized maintenance timing saves 6 figures annually. Take action now and schedule your free maintenance optimization review with a 12-month maintenance loss analysis and forecast-optimized rescheduling playbook. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.